conservative intellectuals say, oh, you shouldn't gossip. The great people talk about ideas, middle people talk about events, and lower class people talk about people. That's nonsense. Like, what kind of life can you have if you're not concerned about other people? Right? If you're concerned and interested in other people, you're going to talk about other people. Right? To not gossip is totally inhuman. We are wired to connect. We are wired to compare. We are wired for a desire for social status. We are wired for a desire for a loving physical relationship. And to try to turn off these natural passions, I think is inhuman, and I don't think it's helpful.